want to do something along these lines, as either manufacturing engineering is like the ideal place I'm trying to go for. But if anything, this internship has helped me just improve my knowledge and got me comfortable using and understanding the big machines in general. So if anything, this is a great internship for any of you guys to join. As me, a female engineer, I know many of females are not really interested because they think it's a male-dominant career. But in all, I think everybody should join it because I feel like you'll get a great experience out of this.
I have to be a fabricator one day, work on airplanes. The goal is to work on cars that go to the track, race cars, that type of ordeal. And it was a really good experience. I really recommend it to other people and to the next generation of kids that would want to join the program. And it was overall a really good experience, and I look forward to continue working on the shop.